Hello my dear students, today I am going to explain you about NCERT 9th class problem number 1 of exercise 3.1 problem number 1 which is on page number 53. The question is asking that how will you describe the position of a table line on your study table to another person. See, this problem is asking us to show the position of our table line to the another person. See, everyone will have different study table and dimension of the table will be different. So, it is not necessary that what I am taking you should take that. You can take your own, but understand the problem. What the problem is going to say. See, if I am taking my table, example, this is my study table. Okay, this is my study table. If I am taking my study table, this is my study table. Okay, so take bed lamp. Lamp will be here. On the study table. The lamp will be here. If I am sitting here, this is me. You are sitting here. Okay, you are sitting here. This is right corner of table. This is line, and this one is left corner of table. Suppose distance between you and line. Distance between you and the line is example. Distance between you and the line is example 25 centimeter. Now we should select any one of the side. Either you take left or you take right. No problem. Either you take left or right. No problem. I am selecting left. So the left corner of the table to the line. Example, it is 15 centimeter. If I am taking 15 centimeter. See, left corner of the table to line 15 centimeter, and from me to table line it is 25 centimeter. See, always in the graph you will find this vertical line as y-axis and horizontal line as x-axis. See, in this one 15 centimeter is y-axis and 25 centimeter is y-axis, 15 centimeter is x-axis. 15 centimeter it is x-axis and 25 centimeter it is y-axis. So first you will write x, then you will write y. What is x here? 15 and y is how much? 25. 15, 25. That means horizontally it is how much? Horizontally it is 15 centimeter and vertically it is 25 centimeter. Always you will write the x, then you will write the y. X and y. So like this you have to describe the position of your table one to another person. Okay. So simple problem. Either you take left hand side or right hand side, right corner of the table or left corner of the table. Okay. So distance between the left corner of the table to lamp or right corner of the table to lamp, and from the position from you to bed lamp. From you to lamp. Okay. So this will be the answer for the first problem of 3.1. Okay. Hope everyone understood. Work for you. You try with your study table, find the dimensions or distance. Okay, and write in this. Hope everyone understood. Please, if you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like my videos, share my videos. If you have doubt, write in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Thank you.